making children future ready. That is what the purpose and the passion of organization Do It Yourself Academy, DIYA is. So our purpose is we want to enable children with the right robotics, AI, IoT and 3D printing technologies using our industry-oriented international curriculum to make them future ready, to develop the 21st century skills. So technology and innovation for social good, that is the first thing we look at. Second is about communication. See, all of us might have so many ideas, but unless we are able to share those ideas with someone, there is no value to it. And third is about collaboration. So our concept is all about children coming together, building a solution for a problem. 21st century skills to robotics is what Do It Yourself Academy is offering for children. So DIYA, like you said, is a very fascinating name because one, it is all about light. It's about lamp leading the way. The second is about giving. So we want to give children the right tools for the future. And third, the name itself, Do It Yourself Academy, a place where children are enabled to do things by themselves, because that is what the future is going to be all about. So you need to be an independent learner and a strong creator. And we are taking children in that particular direction so that they are the pillars of the future, and we are giving them the right tools, the technology and the hands-on training, which is a key factor in the right direction.
Here in DIYA, we enable people, passionate women, to help them start their own futuristic education business, which involves technologies like robotics, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and 3D printing. So here we also handhold them throughout the setup and running, making sure things are very easy and also effective for them. So as of now, we have 6 franchisees, women franchisees, who are running the business for us.
I'm an embedded system developer in DIYA. So என்னோட ஒர்க் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I develop all these kits. So இந்த கிட்ஸை வச்சு தான் we are doing all the training for the children. பேசிக்காக வந்து the kits we develop are already used in the market. So we use STEM based kits. So actually they don't make their kit, they have a standard curriculum in which a particular type of robot or a particular type of electronic application is needed. So we give them the problem and they come up with solutions. And in the process we guide them, we then and there we guide them, we give some suggestions, we actually trigger their own solutions. So means we trigger their thinking process so that they can come up with their own solutions.
So I wanted to make sure that what we teach them has to be industry oriented, so that they get an exposure of what is going to actually happen after school. We want them to understand that there are so many careers out there so that they can actually choose what they love. So through the course, we expose the child to about 10 different domains of robotics. And every domain, they implement something, they solve a problem, they see what it is all about. And once they understand is the liking, they can pursue that as a career. So when it comes to the school, we start as early as a 5-year-old, that is typically a first grader. That is when we start. But when it comes to our centers, so these are centers who are like our franchisees. So we set up an after-school experiential learning center which caters to one particular area. So here, kids above the age of 7 and above, they come and we group them. So 7 to 12 would be one batch, and 13 and above would be another batch. And each age group takes up a particular task or a particular domain in robotics and they implement solutions towards it.
Okay, my role with DIYA is to take care of all the technical aspects and technical side of the team, the whole team. So I design the course and the kits for all the children who come to the DIYA courses. So each kit is customized and it's manufactured by us, manufactured and assembled by us. We are now looking to concentrate completely on bringing online courses as well. So we are trying to make LMS, Learning Management System, for most of the franchisees over here and bringing in more centers also. So it gives us an opportunity to spread even faster. And not only that, we also have a center management. So I take the roles even in the part where there is online presence is required.
Basically, this is a robot which is built by using a laser cutting technique. So the files are already available online. So and we use on top of that we use our own boards. So we have our own driver boards which are used to drive the motors, and then we have our sensor boards, so which we use to sense the presence or absence of an obstacle. We have an ultrasonic distance sensor, and then we have a battery pack. So all these things we combine together and make a children-friendly kit.
Right now, DIYA is present in about 6 places. So, Adayar, Villivakam, Thiruverkadu, Yasarpadi and Velacheri. And newest one is Mogapad. So, DIYA has come up with Get Unschooled, so which is India's first mall-based experiential learning center. So, normally when we think about a mall, we just think it's fun, come hang out, shopping and stuff. But actually, overseas, about 25% of the mall is usually allocated for the children activities, and some component of education. Have you ever noticed a child wanting to do something, meddling with a few things, trying out a few gadgets? So kids today are very friendly towards being innovative. They want new concepts, they like things that are interesting. So these are kids who are very fascinated towards robotics. So here what happens is, we give them a complete learning solution. Reason being, we want them to be 21st century ready. That is the company's ambition, that is making children future ready. So here what happens is, when a child comes to us, not only do they get exposure to the internationally oriented curriculum, but they also come about the 10 domains of robotics. So by learning through experience what they have in each domain, they get to choose what they love and they can build it up as a career.
As a woman, I would call this as a best opportunity for women, because this requires very small investment, minimal working hours, and also the satisfaction that we are creating a good future for children. So we have also won the most promising business for women award recently. So if you're somebody looking for a good opportunity, business opportunity, then DIYA is your destination.